What's good, billionaires gang? How you guys doing? So for the few people that said we should continue doing this, so we just have to keep doing it. Alright, so I'm just going to be showing you guys the exact thing that I'm going to be doing this morning. Looking at GBPUSD, look for a strong zone in the market. The price has tested multiple times. Then consider that zone a strong zone. Alright, so looking at this one, the first zone I'm going to consider is going to be this one right here. What I'm just going to be doing is I'm going to be having this key psychological level marked. That's the first one. Alright, then knowing fully well that we had a bounce, and a bounce. Alright, so I'm going to connect this one and this one together. Alright, like this. So this place is going to be my entry one. If price comes here and give me confirmation, alright, I always have things that I look for in the 15 minutes before getting into the trade. There's a possibility that price will get to the key psychological level and I don't take it. Right, that is if I don't have anything that says as we get into the trade I need an impulse in the market before getting into the trade. So I want you guys to please have an entry trigger on the 15 minutes before getting into the trade. Alright, so right here I'm gonna go long right here on GBPUSD, and I'm also going to be waiting at this key psychological level again to go long again. Let's proceed to gold. So what I'm going to be doing on gold is I'm going to be waiting at very key levels. The line that I have on the chart are key psychological level for gold. So I'm going to be hanging around this key psychological level down here on gold. If price bounce back to this key psychological level, I'm going to be getting into the trade for gold. I'm going to be waiting around this point too as well. And if you look at this one, alright, majorly this reaction happens on a key psychological level. Okay, it didn't extend back down to this point. All it does was it reacted to this key psychological level and bounced away. Alright, so if we see at this point as well, we can see that price reacted to this key psychological level as well. Alright, even though the sellers were able to dominate the market for that time, I'm just going to be looking for buys. I'm going to be waiting right here, and also I'm going to be waiting right here on gold as well. Alright, so moving on to SPX. What am I going to do on SPX? Alright, the truth about SPX is that I still see a downtrend on SPX. Alright, but so many things is happening in the market now on SPX, especially when we have this head and shoulder forming on SPX. Alright, this head and shoulder, we could have price even push further back down here before pushing up, and we can have price break above this point here, come back to retest this point here before bouncing back up. This is what I mean, something like this before bouncing back up. Alright, so SPX is full of uncertainty. Alright, it's showing me a bullish move right now and it's still on a downtrend. So in this type of situation, it's always best to just ignore the trade for that day. Just let today pass. Alright, thank you guys for having me. Stay profitable, guys. God bless you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys.